Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Skills Forge Pro channel. We're so excited to have you here today because we're diving into something really cool, Canva's brand new AI tool for 2025, Code for Me. Yes, you heard that right. It's a powerful tool that actually lets you create amazing projects without writing a single line of code. How cool is that? All right, let's jump straight in. First, on your Canva dashboard, look over to the left sidebar and click on Canva AI. Then select Code for Me. At the bottom, you'll notice 11 example projects you can create, like a pricing calculator, a historical timeline, a digital birthday card, even a fun little matching game. The possibilities are endless. But for today's video, I thought it would be fun to build something unique. We're designing an interactive menu for a French restaurant called Frenchy Restaurant. I actually used ChatGPT to help me create a super detailed prompt based on exactly what I wanted for the menu. All I had to do was paste that prompt into Canva, hit generate, and watch the magic happen. The coding process started instantly. And what's really awesome is that you can actually watch the lines of code being generated in real time. In my case, it took about 3 minutes to generate around 556 lines of code. Of course, I'll speed that up for you here because I know your time is valuable. And there you go. After just a few minutes, we had this beautiful, stylish, fully functional menu ready to go for Frenchy Restaurant. It's super organized into sections like entrees, plats principaux, main courses, and desserts. And when you click on a dish, a little pop-up shows the description and the price. So clean and so professional. At the bottom of the menu, there's everything a restaurant needs. The name, address, working hours, and even a button to reserve a table, which you can easily link to WhatsApp or a direct call, depending on your restaurant's strategy. Now, if you want to make changes, you can describe them in the sidebar. But just a heads up, Canva will rebuild the project from scratch when you do that. It's not super fast, but honestly, the results are worth it. Once you're happy with your menu, just click Use in a Design. You'll be able to preview it on both desktop and mobile, and you can either publish it directly with a custom domain or embed it onto your existing website by copying the HTML code. All right, I really hope you found this walkthrough helpful and maybe even a little inspiring. If you enjoyed this tutorial, let us know down in the comments and tell us what Canva tricks or tools you'd love us to cover next. And of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the awesome tutorials we've got coming up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.